What's going on, YouTube? Americus is back here, bringing you guys another grand touring POV experience. Shout out to all my Prius fans out there. Y'all are the best. Let's get this straight into the video. Let me buckle myself in. Got the Sperry's on today with the Nike socks and the Nike shorts, you know, a little stunting. But yeah, guys, it's been a wild ride, to say the least. Thank you for all the support on my last couple uploads on the Prius. It really means a lot to me. And it's looking good. I'm just gonna go. Oop. It's really hard to see out that turn, but yeah, guys, we're back. We're better than ever. Prius is, you know, running like a champ. I got full tank of gas. Put in $9 worth of gas. I got a full tank. At least it says it's full. But I don't know what the exact. I think it holds 7 gallons. I'm pretty sure. But it's only like 20 bucks to fill the whole thing up. My gas gauge actually might not be that accurate, to be honest, just because it says it's full, but I only put 3 gallons in. So yeah, guys, we're on the way to the most, you know, pretty much the most expensive zip code in my area. I'm gonna go do some DoorDash in the Prius. Thought I might just make a GoPro video while I'm at it. And if you are new to my channel, please help me out by liking this video, subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't, it really supports me making these videos. Let me put these windows up. Hey, look at that skater dude. He looks like a noob. I'm looking at him right now. He's like one, I mean, they're incoming cars, so I mean, I don't know why he's skateboarding on this road, but anyways, beautiful day today. I mean, why not make a GoPro video on the Prius? I mean, it's really no question. It's just so beautiful. I mean, look at this scenery, man. And women watching my videos. This is just beautiful scenery. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Very luscious, you know, very earthy, summer-like. Let me clean my windshield. I don't know why it's doing that, but it's streaking like really bad. I think it's tree sap or something. I really gotta wash that off. But the Prius has been running like a champ. I'm really happy with it. I just did a BMW video, so if you haven't checked out my BMW content, go look at that if you enjoy these videos. It's basically the same thing, but I'm in a BMW. Different experience for sure. I mean, it's faster. It's 230 horsepower, all-wheel drive, and it had an MSRP of like $45,000 back in 2008, so it runs really well. Oh man, this turn, you gotta be really careful. River Road, guys. Beautiful road though. Beautiful to drive. But I mean, people fly on this road. I've seen people probably hit 100. Gotta be quick. That was my hand. Yeah, I've literally seen people hit like 100 on this road easily. Cause I mean, they got nice cars, you know, really, they wanna let loose on the gas. But this has just been such a wonderful experience. Look at that neighborhood. You can't even see in it. But look at the trees, man. They are really green, like absurdly green. Everything's so green. And the best thing is I'm only 30 minutes from DC, so if I really want that like city-like feel, I could just go to DC. Look at that Porsche. Ooh, that was pretty. Yeah, see, like right here, I swear I've seen people just zoom, like literally go so fast right here just because it's like a little straightaway. Not a lot of police on this road, but it is just such a wonderful experience, guys. Look at that farmland too. I mean, you got all kinds of variety out here, to be honest. Look at that house. I guess I'll just showcase the housing. I mean, look at all these pretty houses, and I mean, these people got money. Look at that guy. Merry-go-round farm. I mean, if they got a farm, I mean, they got some money. I would think so, at least. I mean, you can't judge a book by its cover. It's very true to everything, really. You have no idea what someone's situation is like just from looking at them, you know, unless you know them personally. But yeah, guys, never judge a book by its cover. These people have guts. These bikers really have guts, because I swear to you, I will see people fly down this road at like 80 miles an hour. See, it says 40. I'm going 54. Wow, I should slow down. But I really see people fly down this road. I mean, like, absurdly fast, like wickedly fast, like twin turbo V8 fast. Only so, if you know, you know, the twin turbo V8, man. If your car got a V8 and it's twin turbo, I mean, that thing flies. But like I said, I'm making this video before I go to DoorDash around this area. I mean, I get perfect scenery. I actually enjoy doing the DoorDash because I get to drive around all these like really nice area. That's the water treatment center, I believe, the WSSC. But this road is awesome. I love this road. I mean, if I were to test drive a car, I'd take it on this road, to be honest, just because it's the curves, nice little straightaways. Look at these bikers. They have guts. That lady has guts. Surprised I haven't seen anything like super exotic yet. I mean, a lot of people flex down on this road. I mean, I've seen like 2021 Porsches, 2021 Ferrari. I saw a couple weeks ago like a F12, which is like the V12 Ferrari. I mean, that thing is sick. And he was kicking it. I heard it coming first. I mean, like, I knew it was something nice, because I hear like the, you know, that really like loud, raspy, like Italian engine. It literally sounded like an F1 car, to be honest. I legit thought there was a race car. Oh, that's the M8. Yeah. Wow. That's beautiful. That was the M8, I'm pretty sure. I saw the M badge on it. It was either that or M850i or something like that. I love BMW now that I have one, and I love Priuses too, so it's really nice to just go in between. I never get bored of driving, really. I mean, if I need to go somewhere, you know, long distance, I'm probably going to take either this or, I mean, even the BMW is nice long distance. It's just, it requires gas money. I filled this for $9, and it gets me like 150 miles, I would want to say. If I'm getting like 50 miles per gallon, it gives me like 3 gallons. But as soon as I'm in the BMW, you know, it's like $50 to fill the whole tank. 45, I think, in my area. About 50, basically $50 to fill the whole tank, and I only get like 300 miles. If I filled this, it's half that, and I get like more miles too, in the 400 range. But I will say that there are major differences in terms of handling and speed between the two cars. But this has been such an amazing, wonderful car, especially that I'm making money through DoorDash. I'm actually able to, you know, be a little bit profitable. I mean, this doesn't take that much to keep running. But like I said, guys, please, if you have not already, it really helps me out. Just like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Oh, and now we're stuck. But guys, look at these houses, man. I mean, these people got gates, long driveways. I mean, these people are chilling, to say the least. River Oaks Farm. Look, like, come on now. Like, let's look at this. Like, come on now. Tell me that's not like a milli. Probably like 2 milli. Like at least like a couple milli. You gotta be careful right here. Look at this long little rectangle, octagon looking thing. It's not octagon, but to go with rectangle. I mean, that thing will get you. But anyways, guys, I'm here. I'm gonna end the video. Thank you for watching, making it this far. I really appreciate it. I love the support, and oh, look at that, nice way to end it. Ferrari, California. I'm telling you, man, these people be flexing out here. But anyways, I love you guys. Please stay safe. Take care. Good blessings, good vibes. I'll catch you guys soon. Merry kisses out. Peace.